It's Nemo.
What else is in there, Weston?
Nemo.
What else is in there?
Joe Weston.
Yeah, not exactly
Nemo.
Nemo, is it, Ames? It's okay.
It's
The puppet was
sorta.
close.
It's sorta like Nemo.
Hey, look.
Who is that? Inky? It's an octopus.
That's
Hold on, this is
Stinky.
Weston's, okay? And don't pull the other one out. Okay, that's the last one. Let Weston get the last one, okay? It's a turtle.
Are these new tub toys?
Yes, but then Weston, this is from Nana. Can you get that out? Here, let me see this one and get that. Here, get this out. It's from Nana. Get this out. It's from Nana.
There's that little blue
Can
one
you
I
get it?
tossed over there.
He's heavy. He get. Look at
Ooh, what is that? Ainsley, give it back to Weston.
Ainsley,
Give it
Papa
back to
doesn't need
Weston.
it.
Ooh. Hey, Weston.
Okay, let me see.
What are you doing?
Look, watch Weston. Ainsley, watch. Ready? It's gonna be loud.
Get it? It needs your help. It looks to me like it's having a panic
It's a
attack.
crazy dog.
Get it? Pick it up. Pick it up.
Go get it, Weston. Ainsley.
dog.
Ainsley.
Yeah.
Good job.
Where did you find that?
I don't know. You want more? More? Here, put it down. Here he goes.
Put it in there in front of me.
It's okay. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here he comes.
Get him.
Good job, Weston. It's like Rocky catching the chicken.
Get your toes.
More? Good boy.
Watch
You're gonna
out.
sweep him up.
Unless you're talking with the brain.
Sweep him up. Good job, Weston.